Welcome to the Huawei P8 Disassembly video tutorial. First, make sure your phone is powered off. Then, attach a protective film to the phone screen if there is none. Rotate the phone to the left so that the card trays face upward. Insert the SIM eject tools into the holes on both upper and lower card trays and push to pop them out. Remove the screws from the bottom of the phone. Attach the suction tool to the battery cover and pull slowly to separate the battery cover from the phone. Loosen and remove the suction tool. Lay the battery cover on the desk and turn the phone over. Remove the screws on both the camera and the B2B connector covers. Open the camera and B2B connector covers as shown. Going from the USB port towards the camera, remove the following B2B connectors: motor, battery, LCD, side button, front camera, and headset jack from the PCBA. Remove the front camera. Loosen the two connectors of the coaxial cable to remove the cable. Remove the remaining 9 screws from the PCBA. Undo the 3 clips between the PCBA and the front cover in the sequence shown. Pry open the PCBA and slowly separate it from the front cover. Remove the headset jack. Remove the antenna subboard. Remove the motor assembly. Remove the speaker box. Insert a prying tool into the gap next to the battery to slowly lift it. Then take out the battery. The disassembly procedure is complete. Thank you for watching.